Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas Calligraphy, where I'm going to show you how to letter 12 Christmas and holiday phrases. For day 2, we're gonna learn how to write Merry Christmas in calligraphy, and I'm using a page from my holiday lettering workbook as well as the Pentel Fude brush pen. I'm keeping the video short, but it's real time. Definitely take your time as you are making calligraphy. And one of the best ways to use calligraphy is to make personalized gifts, cards, invitations, signs, you name it. I know the holidays can be stressful, so practicing calligraphy can help you reduce some of the stress that the holidays can bring, and at the same time you add a heartfelt touch to your creations, making them extra special. If you also want to learn how to letter happy holidays in calligraphy, make sure you watch the video for day 1, and I go over 2 different ways that you can letter happy holidays.